locked in live with your boy Rick, man. You better stay tuned to the channel, boy.
Here at my home in Phoenix, Arizona, and today with my man GQ, we're gonna be installing one of our products on his Hellcat wide body today.
Yep.
So yeah, stay tuned for that. It's definitely gonna be crazy. Gonna light it up.
Listen, today is the last day that we are gonna have this car in the dark. This car lit up tonight. Tonight, guys, can you imagine, man? I'm gonna have the grill light up on the top bottle, and then the light. We're gonna do. I don't know which ones we're gonna run with. Which one were you thinking?
I'm thinking we're gonna do of course we're gonna do the multicolored halos.
Yeah.
We're gonna do probably the top, middle, maybe the hoods too.
Okay.
But definitely the whole grill for sure.
Okay.
If we can do the hood, we'll probably do that too.
Yeah, right.
Add there too.
Yeah,
make it look different. So
definitely.
Yeah, for sure.
Well, y'all heard it. Now y'all see what the man finna do. Just gonna look sick.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be crazy for sure. Set it apart.
That's RGB, professional.
Absolutely, man. Appreciate you.
Oh, for sure, for sure. Looking right in.
So we're gonna show y'all a little bit of the process right here. I take off a Challenger bumper. All the Challengers are basically the same, no matter if you have the wide body or just the the base model. So it's basically the same concept. So you got a couple clips on top. You got a couple 7mm bolts on bottom. It's best to take the wheels off. You will have to go to the fender, take off a couple bolts in this fender wheel right here. After that, the bumper's gonna come right off. So check it out. One out. Yeah, keep it simple. It's the best way. It looks clean, I would do it like that.
What about the remote? You got a remote?
I've got some handhelds.
Look how that looks, guys. Now that looks amazing. That's so crazy, man. It's like the skeleton in my car coming alive. You know what I'm saying? Like that's so crazy. Let's play with the remote a little bit. Let's just press some random buttons. Oh damn, that's cold.
The process was definitely worth it for sure, huh?
Oh yeah, it most definitely gives it a whole nother look.
Absolutely.
Looks mean.
I'm praying for my wolves, laying on my fools. Mama told me, boy, you better take it slow. All this business on my mind, tryna mind my business. This life that I'm living, I'm just tryna live it. I'm praying for my wolves, laying on my fools. Mama told me, boy, you better take it slow. All this business on
Alright,
my
what's up
mind.
with it out there? It's your boy, man, Rick, man. Your boy, not yo boy, like Yo Gotti, man, but back with another one, like the boy DJ Khaled say, man. We out here in this Arizona, about to get up out of here. We got 2 more things to do. Over here, cuz over here, that's Life of GQ. Over here in that young Hellcat thing. He's finna get some light work on it. Yeah, y'all know what time it is. He's finna get some light work done on this joint. And I'm finna go do this muffler delete. And it's been good out here, man. You know what I mean? We fucking around, linked up with some cool people out here. Seen some shit, got some good content. But yeah, so it's time to go, man. But y'all know what it is, man. Y'all stay tuned for the content. All that good shit will be dropping. We on our way to Vegas. And the next stop after that is Cali. So y'all just stay with us and stay riding and rocking and rolling, man. Yeah. All right, so Dream Automotive Lighting. What was that again?
So that's actually the first business we started back in Alabama. We just did installs. So basically how we started that was I put some halos on my car probably about 5-6 years ago. And then from there, every time I went somewhere, people would always hit me up like, hey, where you get them halos from? Let me get some of them. So one thing led to another. I didn't even really try to start this business. It just kind of led from, from me having the halos on my car.
I just had an interest
years
in
ago,
the lights and all that shit.
Everywhere I went, people just went crazy about them, man. I was getting so much attention, and it just blew up from there. So I just started doing it for a couple friends, and then from there it took off. I started doing cars, and I started doing like old 2001 Ford F-150s, and then now doing Hellcat wide body. So
and this is all you was pretty much all self-taught, or did you go to school?
This is self-taught. So these products, they're not really that hard to install. They're just tedious because even when I first learned to do this, I think I was like 16 years old. You know, I did it by myself. You know, I just kind of figured it out. You know, YouTube, things like that. Yeah. So it's not really that hard. It's just a lot of it's a lot of work. It's tedious.
Yeah, real tedious shit.
Yeah, for sure. And then you learn as you go. You know, it's just one of them things. You get better as time goes. You know, as you do it. So, but we definitely recommend professional install if you can. But you definitely can install these yourself, you know, for somebody who doesn't have that option.
You just as good, man. You professional. Yeah, the tall guy trusted you with his car, you know.
Yeah, but I've been doing it for about 5-6 years at this point. So, you know, I'm definitely at that stage. I can pretty much do any car, McLarens, Lamborghinis. You know,
so anything, what do you do? Do you offer? Can you certify somebody in this? If somebody said, "Hey, I want to work with you or work for you," can they hit you up? And
yeah, well, actually, I'm thinking about doing a course soon about how to like actually get started in automotive lighting. Okay. Like a full course. So
then you can branch off and have
exactly. Yeah, we're gonna do a lot of like teaching other businesses how to get started with automotive lighting.
Oh, okay.
Things
You're
like
gonna start with other companies. So if you have a shop,
even people learn. Like if somebody just wants to learn on their own and just start their own business.
Because what if you just had like a branch of people? Like around the country in each city that you certified, you have
we have some installers. We have some authorized installers. So if you're in Minnesota or Atlanta, you know, LA, you can definitely have options for you. Okay. You just email us and then we'll shoot you over some installers in your area.
Perfect.
As far as that.
And that's on the HaloKids.com website.
RGBHaloKids.com.
Y'all got it.
RGBHaloKids.com. You see what's going on there. Link is in the description below. Let's let this man get back to work. That's
right. Thoughts for your neighborhood and word. I'm not saying we above average. I'm just saying we not average. No LOL, no smiley face.
It's time. They got these wheel lugs on tight, boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can tell the factory torque these now.
No, I didn't take these off since.
Oh no, it's just from the factory. How they are from factory.
Oh, okay.
They just torque them super hard, so.
Did I take these front tires off yet?
Precautions, because you never know, you actually slip. The tool might slip off, something like that.
I was just about to say, he's paying attention to detail.
We usually tape the wheels, and we'll usually tape the fender liner and all kinds of stuff there.
So a lot of people do not pay attention to the detail, and they just go into doing some work, and they don't really care about scratching the little things on the car, which is actually something big when I'm going to a car show, because that's how people look at the
Every
vehicle.
detail matters, you know.
Exactly. Appreciate that.
Pry and work your way around the whole headlight, and then after you do that, give a little force, and the headlight lens will just come right off. So, yep. Install instructions are included in most kits as well. So.
Perfect.
Hey, so my little Hellcat logo's on there, right?
Yeah. You talking about that little back? Yeah.
So then, plus with the lights, as far as being on the highway.
Yeah, it's gonna be the same like light output. You have to just use the app to control it. So there'll be an app on your phone, and you'll control the halos and then the grill lights with your app. Yeah. All together on one app. Yeah, keep it simple. It's the best way. It looks clean, you know. I'll do it like that.
What about the remote? You got a remote?
I've got some handheld remotes right here.
I want something where I can just click. Cause in LA, this shit ain't. You're not supposed to have them in LA, huh?
Yeah.
They don't even like underglow.
Yeah, most people like the Bluetooth controller better. But if you like the remote, we can do a little remote like that. Okay, we'll do that then. Yeah. Do something like that.
Yeah, that's hard. Cause they keep everything. They keep me. I can just click.
Yeah, you just press a button. It'll change.
So would this be for one? This would be for the grill, so to speak.
Do you want to do separately, or do you want all on one? What you think?
If I can do one, if I can do to my phone, my lights.
Yeah.
And then this to the grill, or we can do it all in one if you want to do that. But if I turn this off, right? Yeah. For my headlights, will they stay on? My regular white headlights.
Yeah, your running lights as far as your driving lights. Right. Yeah, all that's gonna be the same. Your turn signal, all the things that you need to drive, like your driving lights and your high beam, all that's gonna be the exact same. So that's not gonna, mess up any of your standard functions. Yeah.
And visibility.
Exactly.
Because that's really what I worry about, is because I'm be on the highway a lot too at night.
Yeah,
exactly. Stuff like that.
All that's still gonna be the same. Yeah.
Okay.
All your driving lights. All we're changing is basically the cosmetic features.
Okay.
Which is just like the halos, and then the grill lights, just accent lighting. So.
Okay.
Yeah, that's actually a good question because a lot of people do ask that. But yeah, so these kits are made to they're not gonna interfere with your you know, your driving functions like your turn signal and you know things like that. Your driving lights as far as your night output.
Perfect.
So yeah, it'll just be the halos you're changing pretty much. You're controlling. So
Man, y'all see what's going on, man. Shout out to Josh over here. RGB, man. Halo Kits, man.
it's called Magic Light. Yeah, because I mean, it just depends on personal preference. To me, I like the Bluetooth better, but some people do prefer the handheld. But let's see which one you like better, and then we can go based.
What's the name of that app?
Magic Light.
Magic
Yeah,
Light.
Magic Light.
That's dope.
Yeah. So the app does vary depending on what kit you have and things like that. So.
Unknown caller.
So you'll see that device pop up. Right now, it's not gonna let you add there. Just go back out. Go back in. There we go. Push the fuse in, and then you're just gonna connect within 30 seconds of powering this system. So it'll just be a one-time thing. That's gonna say GQ lights. Yeah. You can rename that whenever. So that's your on-off button right there. And I'm gonna plug this up real quick so we can see this.
So guys, as simple as downloading the app, Magic Lights.
Alright, so here we go. We got a RGBW strip. So in the app, you simply use the slider here, select whatever color you want. You can also save colors down here. So let's say you like this pink color. Hold this down, 1, 2, 3, save it down there. Just press that button and go back to it. You also got different functions in here. You can make them jump. You got a couple different strobing functions on there. So it definitely got some options for that. The app's really responsive too, see that? So it's pretty responsive. You just press the button and it'll fade right off. Press that.
Damn, that is dope.
Yeah, it's just this blue button right here.
Guys, when it says responsive, the thing changes as soon as you move your
As
finger.
soon as you move
see
it, it's very responsive. It's on it. So there we go.
You can also order yourself a remote if you need one.
Just press that button right there. When it's gray like that, it means it's off. So if you're sitting in the car and it's blue, that means it's on. So you'll see that light up right there.
Okay.
So yep,
And silver boom.
just press a button. Yep.
Oh, and then it fades.
Exactly.
Okay, cool. Perfect. Man, that's dope, man.
We'll get this front end lit up. I got some headlights now.
Yeah, I'm gonna play with that shit.
It's white, but it's a little bit mixed.
You're almost there.
Mixed white.
Y'all see it.
But you can't do the amber too. You know.
You would.
Uh-oh. She's a... matter of fact, let me give them to her. I gotta do it like this. Okay, so we got the lights in. We might as well go ahead and test it out right now. Oh, shit. Look how that looks, guys. Now, that looks amazing. That's so crazy, man. It's like the skeleton in my car coming alive. You know what I'm saying? Like, that is so crazy. Let's play with the remote a little bit. And, let's just press some random buttons. Oh, damn. That's cold.
Yeah, them joints is hella bright too.
That's a little faster.
You can turn the underglow on too, can't you?
Oh, my underglow, yeah.
Match that shit up. Let's see how that look.
You got the underglow. You got a remote for that, guys. Let's go ahead and turn that on. So we're gonna go pure white. Let's see
In the
what
front.
this white on white looks like. I don't know why my fronts ain't lighting up now.
Oh shit. Y'all see it a few hours later, some patience and some hard work, man, and you have greatness. Look at that.
The grill's already shining.
Man.
Sorry,
Ooh, that shit look good, man.
And that's a bad. Look what she got on. If you can't tell it, you can smell it. Crispy my cologne, little baby, what you smoking on? Ain't this your favorite song? Got all the ballers in the club, make it thunderstorm. Damn, that's
Good workout, man.
Can I take you home?
He was hooping last night.
Right, make you moan. Bounce that ass on this dick and check some sloppy dome. Put it in your butt and fuck you like a nasty hoe. But I bet you'll love it though.
Yeah, he's hooping with some young boys. Working, nigga.
I'm lit. Is that your bitch? My shoes, my fit, they match my whip. I'm lit. Is that your bitch? My shoes, my fit, they match my whip.
The process is definitely worth it for sure.
Oh yeah, it most definitely gives it a whole nother look. It's mean.
I love fucking two bitches at the same time.
We even got the little side. We got these lit up. You know, little smaller ones.
Kicking in, let me get on my grind. I'm having a good time. So what I think I'm fly. Snapchat for a minute, then I go live.
They don't see him coming.
My chain hanging tonight. Diamonds dancing, if she yours, I bet she ain't tonight.
How you feeling, GQ?
Oh man, I'm loving it. Yeah, that way. Man, that shit looks so good. Man, look at it. I got the underglow with the whole front shebang.
Yeah, you know I was looking at that. Your hood is like sealed right here.
It's sealed because
Yeah. I could probably still do it, but I had to take some stuff off. See how this part completely sealed in there?
yeah.
And then you can't even access it. You got this metal one.
Right, you would have to cut into it.
Yeah, I have to do something. Either that or I have to reach my hand all the way in there. You know, it's definitely possible, but it takes some time for sure. We'll probably add that later.
Maybe we can put it, because I want some different type of lights in there. I don't really want like how, you see how those LEDs work?
Yeah.
I want like a wall, like a strip, a solid strip.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I feel that.
That looks more like space age, more like ambient light.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, for sure.
I think that would look way more different.
Well, y'all see it, man. That's finished product, man. We about to get up out of here, man. You know what I'm saying? And go shoot to this Vegas, get some content out there. It's gonna be crazy. Try to find some car meets out there. So y'all stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. Keep watching this motherfucking channel. Subscribe if you ain't subscribed. Hit the notification button if you ain't done that yet. And make sure y'all check out GQ. Motherfucking Life is GQ. Subscribe to that channel. Don't skip the ads. None of that. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, we gonna end it off like that. Yeah, this motherfucker.
Yeah, it's your boy GQ, man. Locked in live with your boy Rick, man. You better stay tuned to the channel, boy.